Good morning, everyone. Myself, Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about how to install Docker in Linux. Here, Linux is nothing but Amazon Linux, CentOS, Red Hat. For Ubuntu, we have a different. Let's see the demo. So I have created the server and I have given the server name is Docker server, and also I have connected the particular server. Okay, I have connected the particular server. Now I have to install Docker. Usually, if you want to install any package, which command will be used? Will be use yum command, right? Same thing here for Docker also, we have to use yum command. Yum install Docker. Okay, then I am giving the -y. When I give this -y, it will be installed. If you observe here, it is installing the Docker. Okay, and also we have a multiple dependencies also. It is installing everything. The Docker version is 20.10.7.17.1. Okay, now we can verify whether Docker is installed or not. Docker -version. Okay, sorry, Docker just give the version, don't give the . When you give the Docker version, the client version it is displaying. Okay, if you see here version, the API version, everything you are able to see. But when it comes to that, it is throwing the error daemon. The reason is just install the Docker. It means it is not running. Just it is installed. We have to start the Docker. Okay, before going to do, I'm using one command, Docker space images command. What will do this one? It will be display all the Docker images in your local. Okay, inside the server, whatever images is available, it will be displayed when you use the Docker space images. See, when you use this one, it is throwing the error. Remember, when you see this type of error, it means you have to run the Docker. Just you have installed the Docker, but you haven't run. How you can run? Can you please tell me? You have to run using systemctl. First, I'm checking the status Docker. Remember, if I use the systemctl, see, it is showing inactive. It means it is not running. As I said, if you remember, first we have to enable the service, right? When you are running, first you have to enable the service. What are the main uses of enabling service? Can you please tell me? The main uses of enabling the service, even though if you restart this Docker server, once the server is up and running, automatically Docker also, the particular service also will be run. Okay, systemctl enable Docker I'm giving. Let's see. Now if you see here, created the symbolic link and the particular where user lives system docker.service. Might be you will get doubt. We haven't created this file, right? How it is came. Okay, when you use the yum install default, it will be create. Okay, all right. Next one. Now I'm using systemctl start Docker. Okay, now we can, it is running. Let me verify the status systemctl status Docker. Okay, now if you see here, it is running. When it was started 6 seconds back only. Okay, I hope understand that. Any questions? And if you see here, it is calling this particular user lib system docker.service file. Okay, now I'm opening this file. Let's see, copy this. I'm using cat command. Yeah, if you see here, here entire information related to Docker only. We haven't declared this manually. When you install the Docker, by default, this file also will be come. Okay, what is that? The Docker service also is running. Now I'm using Docker images. Now it won't be throw the error. The reason is earlier we have started, right? That is the reason it is not throwing an error, but it is, we don't have any images. That is the reason it is not displaying anything. Okay, I hope understand, right? How we can install the Docker? Just a simple using yum install command. You can install Docker. Then you have to start the particular Docker. And one more thing, earlier we got error, right? When you use Docker version, okay, we got only client version, right? Now here it will be display server version also. Remember, if the Docker is running, it will be display both client version and server version. In case Docker it is not running, it will be display only client version. Server version, it won't be displayed. It will be throw the particular error is daemon running, Docker is running. Okay, you have to start that particular. Here, engine version, the particular API version, that server level, client level, we can able to see the difference. Okay, I hope understand that. But if you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you next video.